Hi guys, welcome to another video. We're out the front of the Brit Station and I don't know whether anybody's actually noticed it yet, but Mr. Bean has gone. Where has Mr. Bean gone to? Remember, he used to stand here on this corner and he's gone, guys. Gorgeous day. It is a bit breezy actually now, but still beautiful. We've got the Loch Ness karaoke pub. 2 for 1, free shots, £2 day, €4, night time €5. Frozen cocktails as well. So yeah, we got the Loch Ness bar there, and then we got the meeting point here. Got the Philippines surprise attack SOS bar over the road. Sorry, SOS bar and then Philippines. And Presidente Hotel. And what was Joker's bar, still sadly empty. Nobody's taken that on yet. Got the Royal Arrow bar there, Gold Arcos. So do you think that Jokers will get taken on? Calling me on. Woo! I think we'll go up here today. So as I said, we've got the Gold Arrow, the Royal Arrow, sorry. Up above we've got the Arches Lounge, and then next door Hotel Gold Arcos. Drop a comment below if you've ever stopped there. What did you think of it? Was it a good hotel? Seven Spices there. The Sun Guinness bar. Easy hire. If you want to hire a scooter, guys, that's where to go. Whew. We've got Nicky's bar here. Now, let me know if you've ever seen this open. I haven't seen it open yet. Maybe it's only open overnight. Karaoke bar, live music. Is it that it is only open at night? Then over the road, we've got Miller's bar. Of course, we've had a look at Miller's Beach Bar. That's the other Miller's bar there. Got Peter's bar there. Sinatra's a touch of class. Live shows there at night. Champions bar there. And Camden Town Bar, great bar. Cafe Benidorm.
Hello everybody.
Hi.
Hello. You're welcome in Benidorm.
Always
And,
welcome in Benidorm.
Downtown, the best place.
I agree.
You show me.
Great.
Camden Town.
Camden Town, guys.
The best bar in Benidorm. Very cheap.
There you go.
Yeah.
Camden Town, and you've heard it from one of the... Oh, get back. Come on. Right. One of the best touts in Benidorm. There you go.
The best is Cafe Benidorm.
Cafe Benidorm. Yep.
Champions, the Royal Arrow, and the Royal Way, and Broadway, and Insomnia.
Insomnia
Yeah, the best. Is the best.
and Beachcomber.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. There you go, guys. One of the greatest touts in Benidorm. There you are, and I think he's covered just about everywhere in Benidorm. So get yourself down, guys. We've also got the Hotel Orange there. So thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like, hit subscribe. I'll see you on the